In this video, I'll show you how to spy on your competition using the Plann app. Signed into the Plann app, and I'm going to spy on one of my other Instagram accounts. So at the very bottom, click Performance, and at the very top right, it has a mask that says Sneaky Peek. So click on that mask there and type in the username you want to sneak on. And then click Search. So it's going to pull up my account, my best performing media, and the best time that I post, and we'll see what else it pulls up. It does take a little bit because it's kind of looking through a person's data and analyzing it. I do have to put out a disclaimer. Yes, it's a cool way to figure out different things about your competition, but I definitely would not use this a lot because you want to come up with an account that's you want to have an account that's unique to you and that's very genuine. So I really don't use this feature that much, but I just wanted to give you that option where if you feel like you've tried everything and you don't know what else to do, this might be a good option to look at someone who's really nailing it in your business or your field. I will have videos coming up about different Instagram genre, so like artists and soap makers and travel bloggers and different things. So we'll go over some accounts that I've really enjoyed in those, but this is a great way to just get an idea. So here it's pulled it up and you can see my best performing media. So these are 3 posts that I've posted and in the last 30 days, so it only takes the last month. And my best time to post is Wednesday at 10 a.m. And the color palette, it gives you general stats about the account, so how many followers I have versus how many I'm following, and how many posts the person you're sneaking has, and best performing hashtag sets. I'm not sure if it ever populates that, but you can see what their best posts are and possibly get good hashtag ideas from those posts. So that's how you use the Sneaky Peek app. That's how you use the Sneaky Peek feature using the Plann app. Next, what we're going to do is show you how to repost a post. And one thing I really like about their repost is that you don't have a ugly watermark. So great. I've created some really fun Instagram highlight covers just for you. They're free. Definitely click the link in the description box below. I think you will just enjoy.